EMDR Phase 5. Installation of positive beliefs. Number 1. Positive trait I want to see more clearly in me. Confidence. I am sure of my abilities. This trait allows me to experience managing successfully my life. Here are examples of experiences I've had in the past that prove that I have this trait. I have been hired 8 times for jobs that have lasted more than a year. Paying off my apartment. Making a shift to a life of regular travel to paradise locations. The image I have of an example of this trait is celebrating in the city of Cerdaniola when I got the hiring call from BBVA. Get ready for bilateral stimulations. I am confident. I manage successfully my life. Number 2. Positive trait I want to see more clearly in me. Being relaxed and calm. This trait allows me to experience feeling safe and in control. Here are examples of experiences I've had in the past that prove that I have this trait. I have felt relaxed and safe with my Uncle Mirza. I felt relaxed when I visited the village of Fragiliana. The image I have of an example of this trait is Fragiliana photo. Get ready for bilateral stimulations. I am relaxed and calm. I feel safe and in control. Number 3. Positive trait I want to see more clearly in me. Cheerfulness about life. This trait allows me to experience. Excited to go on with life. Anticipating good things to come. Here are examples of experiences I've had in the past that prove that I have this trait. I was cheerful driving down East Ocean Boulevard in Long Beach looking at the ocean. I was cheerful when I visited Paris for the first time. The image I have of an example of this trait is Luxembourg Gardens in Paris. Get ready for bilateral stimulations. I am cheerful about life. I am excited to go on with life, and I anticipate good things to come.